Hi all, Jeff Steinley, No Zoom Mondays. Hey, wanted to do a quick review on a recent gadget I picked up to help me as we move off into new adventures away from work. Wanted to highlight a selfie stick that I bought to make sure that I have better video quality and different perspectives on the road as we take our adventures. So I ended up buying the Yoozon Selfie Stick tripod, and I'll highlight several of the features of this thing so everybody can get a good bird's eye view of what this device can and will do for you. Number one, it's about 8 inches in length, it's about 2 inches in diameter, and it weighs about 4 ounces, so it all feels very, very good. It's not too heavy. The other thing you'd want out of this selfie stick is obviously that it would extend. This one extends an additional 20 inches or so, so the length here you can get up to about 27 inches once fully extended. The other thing in regards to the ball mount or the actual head assembly, your iPhone fits here. It's got its clasp, bottom clasp here, top clasp here, where you can actually move this and fit your iPhone in as you need. This head assembly's got 2 different balls that move to help you get your camera in the right position, whether you want it in a portrait mode or landscape pictures or videos. You have the ability to move the head where you need here from a camera perspective. And then if you want to take more horizontal selfies, you have the ability to move the base of the unit as well, and you can turn it all the way around, and now you've got the selfie stick in a place where you could take pictures directly at you or out, depending on how you want to do it. So this is very versatile, has a lot of movement, and very easy to set up the way you need for the next video capture. The other thing that's nice, I mentioned it, it's a tripod. I know that on the adventures there'll be times where I'm going to want to be able to capture pictures from a perspective of a flat surface. This thing can be moved. It's adjustable up and down to be able to support the height that you need on the road taking your videos from the selfie stick. And last but not least, probably just as important as anything else, is the ability to remotely take pictures, so you have the ability to actually get away from your iPhone and connect via Bluetooth to a remote and be able to stop your videos or just take photos depending on the mode you set up your iPhone in. Very powerful, and it works great in regards to that. So that's the actual selfie stick. My first use of this stick was actually taking a video down of the Austin Marathon. Yep, Austin, Texas, hook 'em horns. We just had the Austin Marathon run this morning. Cutting a video now of the images I was able to take with the stick, both remotely as well as holding on to it. So stay tuned to the channel, and I'll be able to show that video yet today with a little bit of luck. I'm trying to get better at creating videos, so as we get on the road, we'll be able to have a nice sequence of the adventures we're gonna go have and be able to share with everybody. So that's it. If you have questions, please feel free to send them to me. Subscribe if you like these. There'll be more to come with a lot more adventures as we get to in the next couple of weeks out on the road. And that's it. Again, living life differently. Hope the same for you. Bye for now.